my angels, and welcome to Dolly Snippets. I'm in my kitchen, as you can see, and I'm going to show you a little mini video on how to do a microwave cupcake. I'm sure this has been done hundreds of times, but I thought I'd throw it out there in the universe. So I'm just going to show you first of all the ingredients that you need. So you're going to need a tablespoon. I've got a measurement tablespoon. You're going to need a cup. This is quite a large cup, but it's best to have one that can, because obviously the cake's going to rise. So it's actually a soup bowl, but I use it as a cup. That's how much I like my coffee. You're going to need some milk, chocolate chips. You're going to need some caster sugar. I mean, some of this you could already have at your house or your home where you live. Cocoa powder. You're going to need some eggs, preferably not broken. You're going to need some milk, and this is how much we go through. Obviously, there's 5 of us. You're going to need some self-raising flour. And last but not least, you're going to need some vanilla flavouring extract. So yeah, so let's crack on and I'll show you how to make a 2-minute microwavable pudding. See, I'm going to show you the cup, but I'm not going to show you me. Obviously you want to see what's happening. So the first thing you need to do is you need to add 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Super. We're then going to add 4 tablespoons of caster sugar. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, you're then going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. That's 1 and 2. Lovely. You're going to add 1 medium egg into the mix, as much as you can, but don't worry if there's still dry mix left. And I can't do it one-handed, I'm not that good. And 9 times out of 10 I get some. Nope, nothing in there. Brilliant. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. So I've put my milk in a cup, so it's just easier. So that's 1, 2 and 3. There we go. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or sunflower oil. So I've got vegetable oil, so that's 1, 2 and 3. Super. Add a few drops of the vanilla essence. How can you do drops when it's in a bottle? Okay. 1, 2, that'll do. We're then going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips, or you could use nuts or raisins. The choice is yours. So that's 1. Wait, get out. And 2. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to mix all that together. So it's should look like a cake mix. So as you can see, you've got like a cake mix batter. Here it is in the background, barking at the neighbours. There you go. The next thing you're going to do is centre your cup in the middle of the microwave and cook on high for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, or until it has stopped rising and it is firm to the touch. So 2 minutes. Here we go.
A few minutes later.
So 2 minutes is done. Let's have a look. I would say that is done. What I like to do is, just for the finishing touches, I like to add a little bit of, shall we go for strawberry, vanilla, or I reckon we should go for, oh, it's meant to be soft scoop. Let's go for a little bit of strawberry ice cream. Oh, I've now got cake in my ice cream. This is not working out well. Strawberry ice cream on top. Lovely. Little pudding in 2 minutes. So I'm glad you liked my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'm going to do some more little cookery bakery bits, just little snippets, and I'll see you soon. Bye.